Hello, it's Valerie from Shalebrook Handcrafted Soap in Nova Scotia. And today I'm doing a video on the hot process shimmy. How I do shimmy design in a mini mold with hot process soap. The mini mold I'm using is going to be like this. I purchased that from Steph's Micas and More. And the design, I hope, will come out like I've done a couple of these, but that was one of them with natural, that was done with natural ingredients, indigo and annatto seed powder, and natural base with some zinc and kaolin clay in it. So that's the shimmy, and you can see that I did symmetrical, blue, yellow, white, blue, yellow, white. But the one I'm doing today, it's going to be called Sweet Pea. I'm restocking my Sweet Pea soap, and I'm going to try to do it with the shimmy design. So in this one, it will be different. I'm using the same design, but a bit different because I'm going to be using 6 colors. I'm going to be using soft pink, and I'm going to be using violet, magic yellow, clementine to get sort of like a peachy if I can, and this is called luster blue. Not the blue I really want, but I think it will serve its purpose, and strawberry pink. So I'll be doing 6 colors in a shimmy. My plan is just to do 6 different colors. So I'll still do the shimmy design, but it might be like purple, yellow, orange, pink, blue, whatever the other color is. I can't even remember, strawberry. So it's still going to be shimmy. Hopefully the design will still work like that, but it will have 6 colors instead of 3. And then you'll get the idea of what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I just wanted to show you what I was going to do. I'm not going to take you through the cook or anything. I just wanted to show you the design because I was asked how I did the design. So I'll bring you back when my colors are all ready. And I'm just going to pour it into the mold, and I'll show you how I do it. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so here we are back. I have my colors ready, 6 colors. I have strawberry, violet, yellow, soft pink, clementine, which is I hope is a peach, and a real light luster blue. Now, I also should mention Joanna Sayre from the Soapy Natural group is where I saw it in Chass, and there's tons of people that have done this design. I don't know how many people have done it hot process, but I've done it a couple of times, and I just wanted to show you. So basically, you just lay it, you don't tilt it too far, you just lay it just a little bit, like a pencil width. I'm not going to use that. And then you have another pencil, and you put it from that side. So, but you don't tilt it tons, you just tilt it a tiny bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and start doing this, because these are going to start to get cool pretty fast. And I'm just going to use half of it. Because I'm going to put that into another soap. And then it would flip to the other side like this, and you pour it in. But since I don't have another side, I'm just going to flip it back and forth. So remember, only use, when you're doing this, you'll have, and then, of course, you're going to flip to the other side, and you're going to add your next color. I'm doing mine in 2 molds. But if you did this for a 1 pound, then you would just divide everything into 3 cups. So now we flip it again. And flip it again. But like I said, if you had your pencils lined up, you could just do it back and forth. I'm trying to do it so you can still see it in the video, how I'm pouring them. Trying to use half, just eyeballing that. And flip it again to do the last color. Looks like I didn't use quite enough. So I'm just gonna go back to the front and use some, I'll just keep going till I get this one full to the top. It's kind of neat actually, because looks like I'm gonna end up with the colors that I started with, which is kind of neat. I actually didn't think I would have that much. Of course, now I don't remember which color I had. I think it was yellow. We'll just do a little bit of yellow. I'll leave that set down. I'm going to do a little bit of pink over here. And then I'm going to do a little bit of orange. And I'm going to show you the cut when I'm done. That's basically how you do it. I hope you enjoyed watching that. I'll post you the cut. Thank you for joining me.